In this segment, we will learn how to use the Add Media and Add Program tabs. We'll proceed by going to the Media Library tab and clicking on that. Once we're in this section, if we have any preloaded files, then they will appear in this area right here. For example, I have GIFT and GIFT2. To add media, we can either go through our HTTP, FTP, or local server. Let's begin with HTTP. To upload a file from here, we will need the URL name, file name, an alternate name, and a brief description of what the file is. Click on Save, and then the file will appear in this section. Next is FTP. For FTP, we will have to enter the following information into the FTP Site Manager: a profile name to distinguish which site manager you're using, the server IP, the port number will be defaulted as 21, as it says here. We'll have to enter in a username and password, and then click on Save. Then we can connect. Once we connect to FTP, we can click a file, hit Save, go back to Media Library, and you'll see that it's uploaded into here. Our last step is our local. Basically, our local server, we can upload files by just browsing through your PC. So for example, I click on Browse, I can search through my PC to find a file, hit Open, hit Upload, and we'll have the file into our media library. Now that we know how to add files to our media library, the next step and final step is to create a program, so we can add our group, player, and the files that we have all together. I will begin by clicking on the Program tab. Once I am here, I will click on Add Program. For properties, this is the first section we will fill out. So let's label this one Test as the program name. For description, I will just use example. A start date and an end date. Click on Active to make this program active. The next step is our weekly schedule. It's in a 24-hour clock, so if we put start time at 0 and stop time at 23:59, then that means it will be running all day long. And let's say I just want it to play from Monday through Friday. I simply unclick Sunday and Saturday. The next step is to click on Group. We created the demo group, so we'll proceed by clicking on that. The next step is to add Media Library to our program playlist. So let's say I want to add GIFT and GIFT2. I hit on Add, and now they appear over here. But if I change my mind and I only want GIFT1 but decide to get rid of GIFT2, I hit the X, hit OK, and now we have one file. I then click on Save, go back to Program, and here my program has been created. Test, Demo, Monday through Friday, start date, end date, time, active, and now our program is complete. So now we are able to use our MP-02 with iCAT.